Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Zendrop on Shopify. If you're looking to improve your e-commerce business and streamline your dropshipping process on Shopify, then this video is just for you. By the end of our time together, you'll have a clear understanding of how to effectively install and begin using Zendrop, a fantastic tool designed to help you maximize your online store's potential. Zendrop is one of the best dropshipping tools available today, especially for those who want to focus on building their brand and scaling their store quickly. It allows you to automate a lot of the manual work in your dropshipping business, including finding reliable suppliers and handling order fulfillment. So, let's dive right in and get started with this simple installation process. To kick things off, go ahead and open up your Shopify admin dashboard. If you're not familiar with it, this is the central hub where you can manage all aspects of your online store. When you're there, to use your phone for purposes that properly evaluate your site. Do this transition ship for what you're doing. Here you'll find a panel filled with various options, such as home, orders, products, and importantly, apps. Go ahead and click on apps. This section houses all the integrations and applications that can be linked with your Shopify store to enhance its functionality. Adding apps like Zendrop can help you increase efficiency and make your store much easier to manage. So be sure to explore the other apps available in Shopify's App Store as well. Once you've clicked on apps, you'll notice a search bar at the top. Type Zendrop into this search bar. This search will direct you to the app listings, and as you might expect, Zendrop should appear among them. When you see Zendrop in the results, simply click on it. Doing this will take you to Zendrop's own app page within the Shopify App Store. It's always a good idea to glance over this page to familiarize yourself with what Zendrop offers. You'll find useful information, features, reviews, and specifics on how the app can benefit your Shopify store. Make sure to check out the reviews from other Shopify users. This will give you an idea of how Zendrop has worked for others in the dropshipping community. Now that you're on the Zendrop app page, you should see an install button. This is your next action point. Click on install, and the process to integrate Zendrop with your Shopify store will begin. The installation process itself is straightforward, but make sure you have a steady internet connection to prevent any interruptions. Once the installation wraps up, Zendrop will guide you through their setup process. They've designed this step with user-friendliness in mind, ensuring you can smoothly integrate Zendrop's functionalities into your store. It could involve creating an account, linking your existing Shopify store, or setting preferences in Zendrop. Take your time during the setup process and provide accurate information. This ensures that Zendrop can fully integrate with your Shopify store and offer you the best results. You can also customize how Zendrop handles product sourcing, shipping, and order management. And that's all there is to it. You've now successfully installed Zendrop on your Shopify store. It's a straightforward process that can significantly enhance your store's capabilities by effortlessly simplifying your dropshipping operations. Zendrop can help you find suppliers, automate order fulfillment, and offer faster shipping options to your customers, which is a key part of maintaining good customer satisfaction. So, don't rush through the features. Take time to explore all of Zendrop's settings and find what works best for your store. Remember, Zendrop is a powerful tool, so take some time to explore it further and adjust any settings to match your business needs. If you want to learn more about how to make the most out of Zendrop, I've got more videos on the channel that dive deeper into using the platform effectively. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe for more guides just like this one. I'm always posting tips and strategies to help you grow your e-commerce business. If you have any questions or need help with Zendrop, drop a comment below. I'd be happy to assist. Happy selling!